Ordi has absolutely exploded over the last few days or so. You can see here on the weekly chart, we've absolutely slammed it up. My name is Crypto Chester, and I'm going to be dissecting this chart from a technical analysis standpoint and see if we can get some price predictions of where we think this asset could be going over the next few weeks, few months or so. Okay, so starting off with, guys, on the weekly, insanely bullish. Obviously, quite a new project coming through this year, 2023. That's what we've got on KuCoin chart right here. Straight away off the bat, it just kind of flatlined for a bit, went down, saw a bearish market structure forming, and that's absolutely fine. Obviously, in a bear market in that area, absolutely fine for that to happen. And from there, you can see, let's look at from the low to the high right now. We're up at around 1,500%, 1,500% there. Absolutely crazy stuff for Ordi. But the question everyone is asking, how high can this go? How high can this bad boy go? And where can we see potential areas for support, for resistance, and what can we sort of be looking for here? Okay, so if we're looking at the price right now, bang on 50 bucks, absolutely crazy stuff. A lot of people are saying that this could go to 100 bucks, 200 bucks. How high will this go? And we're going to be going into the market cap and obviously the market cap and predictions for that very, very shortly. So let's look at key areas of resistance from a technical analysis standpoint to start off with, guys. Right now, obviously, we're in uncharted territory. There's no data to actually get us a resistance point. But one thing that I would be looking for here, guys, and one thing that we can be looking for here is the RSI. You can see the high that we created previously in terms of momentum, in terms of buying pressure to the upside around 93. We haven't quite hit that most recently here on the daily, guys. And that essentially means if we don't break this high with this momentum to the upside, we're going to be having a bearish divergence, guys. A bearish divergence usually means that we see a bit of a pullback in the price, okay? So in terms of pullback areas we could be looking for here, the volume weighted average true range indicator. This is where it really comes into play here. You've got the 30-minute, the 60-minute, the 4-hour, and the daily. Very, very crucial stuff. So if we're looking for key market structure, let's drop down to a smaller term time frame and let's get some points put in. Because you can see straight away, guys, you can see how we're riding this level of support all the way up here on the 30-minute. Now, we've tested this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, guys. If you think of it like a drywall, if you punch a drywall 10 times, you're going to break through it eventually, okay? Very, very thin. So yeah, basically, we're going to come down and test this. We're likely to break it because we've tested it so many times now, okay? So the next point of resistance for us to be looking out for there is going to be the 60-minute, guys. We haven't tested that for a while now, so the bounce that I'm looking for here is going to be the 60-minute volume-weighted ATR band at a price of around $40, 41 bucks, depending on how long it takes for us to actually come back down to this zone. In terms of a higher low, guys, that's what I'm looking for. Confirmed higher low from before. It is going to be priced in at this area here. So in terms of bullish market structure, as long as we're holding $35, we're absolutely fine. We're going to keep going up. It's very, very, very clean. It looks very, very nice for an uptrend. We're pulling back at the right areas, consolidating at the right areas. But yeah, just to reiterate, the area of support, the bounce point, the new buying point for me for Ordi Originals, Ordinals, can't bloody say it. It's going to be 40 bucks and 83 cents there. So really, really good. Let's jump over to CoinMarketCap and let's see market caps, let's see supply, and let's see what we can sort of be expecting here for this coin. Looking at the market cap right now, it's currently at around $1 billion. $1 billion at a price point of 50 bucks. Very, very easy maths here, guys. If we get to $2 billion, the price is going to be 100 bucks, okay? So it's a 1x. Sorry, it's going to be a 2x from that point, okay? So really, really easy stuff there. We're going to be looking at a $2 billion market cap for this project. And if you guys haven't looked at this project, it's basically, from what I can see, for doing like a 5-minute scan, I'm more of a TA guy myself, not the biggest fundamental guy in the world here for crypto. But you can see here that it is pretty much, it looks very, very like an NFT trading platform, right? Which is obviously very, very good. We saw OpenSea, they were doing like 400 million a year or something in revenue when NFTs were popping off. So with the light of the new bull run that we are seeing, and NFTs taking a bit of a spike up, which we have seen over the last few weeks, this is looking really, really positive, okay? So in terms of a prediction for this, guys, I would say, where would I place this on the list of cryptocurrencies here from 1 to 50? I probably would be putting it somewhere around 20th place, okay? Probably somewhere around 20th place, and that would put it at around a $5 billion market cap. So if we're looking at a real solid price prediction for Ordi right now, it's going to be around $250. How long is this going to take to get there? I probably would say I probably would say probably about a month or two. Okay, a month or two, depending on market conditions, depending on Bitcoin dominance, depending on how everything is performing. But this guy is absolutely smashing it right now. So in terms of a price prediction for Ordi, it's going to be sat around 250 bucks, and then we're going to be placing it just under SHIB at around a $5 billion market cap. Absolutely amazing stuff. But in terms of the buy point that I'm looking for here for Ordi, it's going to be back down at around 40 bucks. Just to reiterate, guys, really, really strong area. Am I selling my Ordi now? No, I'm not. I'm basically just buying every time that we dip as we're coming up, guys, because we're coming into this bull run. We're coming into the Bitcoin halving. We know this coin is good. It's holding its own right now with Bitcoin dominance really high. Okay, so when Bitcoin dominance dumps down, that's when altcoins really start to move on their own. The potential for this bad boy is absolutely huge. Touching on supply quickly, it's 21 million. Okay, 21 million, just about the same as Bitcoin there, guys. So I know Bitcoin's got a lot less circulating supply, 19 million or something like that. But yeah, it shows that there's a lack of supply, which shows that the coin is actually going to be worth a hell of a lot in the future. Okay, so if we're talking about big market caps from previous bull runs, okay, coins like this, they'd get to like $10 billion market cap, guys. And if that's going to happen, then we're going to be looking at 500 bucks a coin. So really take your eyes on this, and yeah, just don't overlook this one is what I would say. That's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Drop a like if you like the video. I am uploading every single day here to YouTube with different altcoins, different Bitcoin updates as well. So make sure you drop a sub and the notification bell. Turn that on. Really good stuff. You're never going to miss an upload. And if you want to join a popping community, link is in the description as well. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.